All right, one of those going out today is going to David in Port Lions, Alaska, or Arkansas. I never remember which one is AK for the state. But anywho, this is going to be the 10 by 12 plate carrier, specifically in Multicam. It's the rack plate carrier. Now, for those who don't know, this one comes with a few different things that you can do as far as accessories. It's very modular in how this is all set up. So you have your different straps, you have your Velcro spots, placards can go on the back, you have basically your JPC standard zippers, and then you also have your inside. You can put the pontoons for spacers, you can put spacers on the inside. There's a ton of modularity that goes on with these. That's probably why they're just so darn popular, because you can put whatever you want on them. You can do them different spots. You can put the placards here in the front, they connect here, and then you have the placard in the front, and it's any placard you want. Just plain modular. And then you have your additions for the straps and everything else. Once again, this plate carrier, the modularity is the top of the market. You can't beat the modularity and the customization that you can find with one of these puppies right here.